What's up guys, my name is Mario, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make this clean and simple 2D YouTube banner. So let's get right into the tutorial. Right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is create a new layer. So that's Control-Shift-N, then press enter. You're going to want to have your brush tool. I'm going to use this blue color. The hex code is 36B2F2. So I'm going to have my guides up and I'm going to zoom out just a little bit, and I'm going to make sure that the top of the brush is on the guide, and I'm going to click and then hold shift and then click on the other side. So it'll give me a straight blue brush across the entire canvas. So now what I'm going to do is create a new layer. I'm going to make my brush white, and I have these nice brushes. They're like it's hard to explain what exactly they're like. They look like auras. They're just really cool brushes, and they really give this specific design a nice look, and it just makes it look super clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one of the brushes. We're going to go to Shape Dynamics, and I already have this set up, but you can just loosely follow these settings. The size jitter, it'll pretty much just randomize the size of the brush. The angle jitter, your angle jitter will determine what angle the brush is going to be. So there's lots of settings to play around with, so just you pick your settings and then figure out what works best for you. So next, what you're going to want to do is just start clicking. Make the brush fill the canvas, and then go to your layer, click overlay, and then just make a new one, get another brush, and then do the exact same thing just over and over until you're happy. Just keep doing this, and I think I like this. I'll just do one more brush and try to focus on the bottom, make it a little smaller. Right, overlay, and there's the backing pretty much done. So then you can just do your text, and I'm going to just write tutorial. Just pick whatever font you want. I'm going to be using a font called Sans Beam Body. I'm going to use the Ultra version. I'm going to set the tracking. Set it to 40, -40. Oh, center it. Make it a little smaller. I'm just going to make a basic, really basic layer style. Just going to have it coming in from the bottom. Reverse that. Make the opacity for that 15. Not inner glow, inner shadow. Put on like 2. Drop shadow. Just mess around with it. Layer styles is always up to the designer's preference. Just lower the opacity on the drop shadow. And so that's pretty much it. You have a really clean backing, and you can do whatever you want with the text. And this banner design just looks really clean. I'll have a link to the project file in the description once this video hits 5 likes. I don't really get that many likes. So if it hits 5 likes, I'll put the PSD in the description so you guys can have it if you want these exact brushes. So that's the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching.